What's the meaning of canyon? Canyon. Canyon.
Canyon. Canyon. A canyon is a deep gorge that is typically formed by the erosion of a river or other body of water over a long period of time. Canyons are characterized by their steep sides, narrow width, and often spectacular beauty. They can be found all over the world and range from small, easily accessible canyons to massive, inaccessible ones that require expert mountaineering skills to reach. Canyons offer many recreational opportunities, such as hiking, camping, and wildlife viewing. However, they can also pose significant dangers, including flash floods, rockfalls, and extreme temperatures.